Welcome again! Today we will see how to download any thumbnail from YouTube, whether from your own videos or from any other video. You might need these images, but I don't advise you to steal them or use them in your own videos, as you may encounter problems if you have a channel and are working on it. So, I advise against using them in your own videos, but you can edit them or use them in your own blog or in any other montage. We go to our website in this way, called Donnie TV. This is the website. We enter it as you can see. The website interface is very simple. You bring any thumbnail, for example. I'll use my own image as an example. This image, for instance, you copy the video link from here and go directly to the website. Here you paste it like this. You click here. Like this, it will display all the images in high quality. You just click here, and clicking here will save it on your computer. I hope this website helps you. You will find the website link below the description box for those who want to benefit from it as well. If you reached here, please subscribe to the channel so that I can continue publishing more.